If your business depends on people who are always on the move all day, you probably feel the pain of trying to track their hours using old paper forms. Keeping things organized is hard when your workers are at different sites or working at different times. We looked for a way to fix that confusion and create a better system for anyone who does not work at a desk. Today, we are talking about Connecteam, an all-in-one platform designed to manage your deskless team and help you get your time back and stop the waste. They offer everything from time tracking, scheduling, digital forms, training and onboarding to managing your deskless team, all from one platform. In this video, we will focus on the time clock feature.
It is a mobile-first tool to track your employees' hours when they're on site.
We will explain how its easy time tracking tools make it much simpler for your business to stay on track. So let's talk about the way people actually log their time on the job. When you have a team in the field, you can't exactly mount a plastic time clock to a tree or a client's kitchen wall. That is why having a mobile-first setup is such a game changer for these businesses. When your employees can just clock in on their smartphones, they don't have to stress about guessing their hours at the end of the week. But the real win for a business owner isn't just making things easier, it's the peace of mind you get. One of the toughest parts of managing a remote team is people saying they're on site when they're really still driving to the job. To handle this, the software uses smart tech like GPS-powered time tracking, from geofencing to their breadcrumbs feature. With geofencing, you can set up a specific job site radius employees can only clock in and out from, no more time theft or buddy punching. And if your team is always on the go, you can use Connecteam's breadcrumb feature to track your employees' location when they are clocked in. You basically get to draw a virtual border around a job site on your map. If someone tries to clock in while they're still down the street, the app blocks it or shoots you a quick alert. This keeps your labor costs completely accurate because you're only paying for the time your team is actually there and working. We also saw that the app is so straightforward that even the guys who aren't tech savvy can get it down in no time. There's a giant start button, and they can even tag the specific task they're doing as they clock in. This gives you the kind of detailed data that you're never going to find on a manual spreadsheet. You'll see exactly how many hours went to landscaping versus irrigation, or how long a crew spent at a specific site. It's way more than a stopwatch. It's like having eyes on the ground without needing to call every manager 5 times a day. Building on those live updates, we need to talk about how those individual shifts turn into professional logs through these digital timesheets. In the past, you'd spend time manually typing hours from random paper notes into a master file, which is usually when human error starts to cause problems. Little time tracking problems or a few minutes rounded up might seem small, but day after day they add up, and when payroll arrives, you could be losing hundreds of dollars.
With Connecteam, every second tracked by the time clock flows right into a central sheet for every single employee.
Honestly, this is where your admin team will really feel the difference when payroll day comes around. You can pull up a live dashboard that shows who's working right now, who's on lunch, and who's already hit their limit for the week. Get alerted for any overtime issues straight from the platform. If a person forgets to clock out, the system catches it, so you can just message them through the chat to fix the mistake before the day ends.
One thing we really appreciate is how the software takes care of labor laws and compliance issues.
It handles overtime math based on your specific state or local laws, and even tracks those mandatory unpaid breaks. This keeps you protected legally and ensures your team is being treated right. When it's finally time to handle payroll, you aren't stuck doing hours of data entry. You just review the digital sheets, click Approve once, and export the whole thing to providers like ADP, Gusto, or Paychex. This takes a process that used to eat up a whole afternoon and cuts it down to 5 minutes. It also creates a really clear trail for the employees. They can see their hours and what they've earned in real time on the app, which builds a lot of trust. Nobody has to worry about their check being wrong because the data is right there on their phone, updated the second they head home. You can add shortcuts straight from the time clock for all your operation needs for employees to have easy access to. Add quick shortcuts to other Connecteam features, chat, schedule, forms, and more. Outside of tracking work hours, you need to track time off as well. Moving along, we really should focus on how we handle time off because tracking absences is honestly just as vital as tracking work hours. The HR Hub in this app simplifies everything by moving that whole process onto your phone. This automatically syncs to employees' timesheets from the HR Hub, truly showing the value of the all-in-one platform. An employee just goes into their profile, picks their dates, and shoots over a request. You'll get a notification and view the employee's request straight from your mobile phone or desktop, so you can see who is already out before you hit approve. This stops you from accidentally leaving yourself short on a busy shift. The system takes over the headache of tracking everyone's accrued time. If your policy gives out an hour of sick leave for every 40 hours on the job, the software handles that mass automatically based on their clocked hours. Your team can see their own balances whenever they need to, which really cuts down on those constant questions for the office manager about remaining days. This isn't just for vacations either. It's perfect for those last-minute personal days or sick calls. Since it's all tied together, as soon as you approve time off, that person is blocked from the schedule so you don't accidentally book them for a shift.
It creates a smooth link between the time clock and the job schedule,
ensuring the business is covered without the back and forth. It's about having one central place for availability, which makes everything feel way more organized. At the end of the day, managing people on the move requires a system that actually keeps your team connected. Connecteam really brings the whole team together, from operations using the time clock, job schedule, and digital forms, to HR with training, onboarding, and time off features, plus team communication with the help of Team Chat and their AI agent, all in one place. No need to juggle 5 different apps. If you have 10 people or less, it's totally free, so there's really no reason not to check it out. And if your team is bigger, check out their 14-day free trial, no credit card needed. Go ahead and click that link in the description to start your trial and get organized. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.